In this video, we will learn how to use the conditional summation function in Excel, which is the SUMIF function. This function allows us to sum values based on a specific condition. It is especially useful when we want to total only certain values that meet defined criteria. Let's consider an example where we want to calculate the total score of students whose country of origin is Vietnam. In a dataset that contains student names, countries, and scores in various subjects, we are only interested in summing the scores of those students who are from Vietnam. To achieve this, we use the SUMIF function. First, we type the function name SUMIF. The first parameter is the range where we want to check the condition. In this case, it is the column that contains the country names. Next, we input the criteria, which in this example is the word Vietnam, as we are only interested in students from this country. The third and final parameter is the sum range, which refers to the column containing the scores we want to add, for instance, the math scores. Once applied, the formula will only sum the math scores of students whose country is listed as Vietnam. In this specific case, there are two students from Vietnam with math scores of 9.8 and 9. When these two values are added, the result is 18.8. After completing the formula for one subject, we can copy and apply it to the remaining subjects so that we get the total scores for other subjects as well, but only for students from Vietnam. However, an issue may occur when dragging the formula down. Excel might change the reference cells, especially the condition range. To prevent this, it's important to fix the condition range using the $sign symbol, also before the column and row references in the formula. This ensures the condition range stays constant even when the formula is copied to other cells. Once the reference is fixed, you can drag the formula across other columns, and the condition will remain intact, providing accurate totals for students from Vietnam in all subjects. This is how we use the SUMIF function in Excel 365 to perform conditional summation efficiently